A ticker is something you can add to your signature to show how many days you have in your recovery journey. Some women love them, some women do not, and it's purely a personal preference. For the purposes of this tutorial, we are going to use Ticker Factory, which is a popular website that many WFS members use. The URL is on your screen. First, you will see many different options for what you can create tickers for. The one you want to select is Event. In the Date drop-down menu, select the date you want to start counting from. This would typically be the first full day of your sobriety. Then you want to give the event a name. Note that there is a character limitation, so you have to keep the name short. Check the current date and then click Next. Now you get to pick what kind of background you want for your ticker. There are so many to choose from, you could end up spending a lot of time debating which one works for you. You can move from page to page at the bottom by clicking on the numbers. When you find the one you want, click on the radio button or circle next to it, and then click Next. Now you will select your ticker slider or marker. Again, there are so many to choose from, and you can view all the pages by selecting the numbers at the bottom. When you find the one you want, click on the radio button or the circle next to it, and then click Next. Now you can see what your ticker will look like. You can change the size from large to small or the background from light to dark. When you are happy with your ticker, you will need to copy the URL or the address so that we can add it to your signature at the WFS site. There are a bunch of options to copy. The one that works best for us is the direct image URL at the bottom of the page. Click and hold your mouse button as you drag it over all of the text in the box so it is highlighted. Then right-click on the highlighted text and pick Copy. Now we need to go back to WFS Online so you can add this to your signature. After you log in to WFS Online, click on Forums at the top of the page. Then you want to click on the Dashboard button on the right-hand side and edit Signature, which is at the bottom of the menu on the left. For our example, we already have an image in the signature, so we're going to delete that. You don't want too many images in your signature. It gets a little crazy. Click on the Insert or Edit or Add Image. Where it says Source, paste the URL that you copied. The dimensions will automatically show up. Click OK. Ours came in the same line as our text, so we simply put our cursor before it and hit Return to move it down. Once you have it where you want, be sure to click on Save Changes, and you're all set.